Help.
Come back here. I'm coming to save you. What type of monster is attacking you?
I don't know.
Describe the monster.
Well, it's green, has a weapon, and looks like a fish.
Oh no, I'm blasting off!
How did you do that?
With the Encyclopedia of Eternal Horrors, of course. See? Look at my phone. With the Encyclopedia of Eternal Horrors, I can know any monster.
Can I use this myself?
Yes, of course. Just go to this website.
Thank you, Superman.
You are welcome. Truth, justice, and a better tomorrow.
All right, so that was our video. On to our actual presentation. There.
Right, so this is our project, the Encyclopedia of Eternal Horrors by the noteworthy Nuthatches. So the Encyclopedia of Eternal Horrors is a web app that is specifically trained on various kinds of monster data pulled from the internet. Using the monster data, it can just generate monster and a story based on the prompt that it receives. Generally, the more specific the prompt, the better. It can be used as a tool for inspiration for authors, allowing them to generate new monsters based on only a few words. It can help with storytelling and world building, or it can just give a little boost in creativity for anyone who wants to create a monster. Other than for writing or for projects, it can also be used for fun or entertainment.
For data collection, we use two data sets. One is a Lovecraftian monster wiki, and another is a wiki of monsters just generally found across media. We then created a web scraper in Python to retrieve all the monster URLs in both of these data sets, and we isolated the HTML text, which included the descriptions, histories, behaviors, ecologies, and other stuff. And using this method, we scraped over 350 monster entries for training. We then cleaned the data by removing the extra headers, spaces, new lines, links, and external references. We then trained the model using GPT-2 because in our tests, it gave more coherent and detailed responses than Neil, and it took about 8 minutes.
For our web development, we use the Grayscale Bootstrap template. And we use that template, customized it a bit, added some form submission. And we use Flask to send API calls to Hugging Face and DALL-E to get our monster descriptions and images respectively.
So now the demo of the website. So this is our website, and if you press try, it like scrolls your the website down to the monster prompt, so you can enter your monster prompt over there. And I've generated some monster prompts beforehand because it takes quite a while to generate. So I put in demonic plant, and it outputted what a demonic plant is and like its features and like its abilities. And it also creates an image from DALL-E. A second example is a demonic toad phase zebra. So similarly to the previous prompt, it generated the features, the abilities of the monster, and along with an image. So if any of you guys wanted to give me a prompt that I could enter in, that'd be great in chat. All right, let's go with Clown Eater. It'll take a few seconds to generate, as it has to generate the text as well as the image. Yeah, so it gave us a response of Clown Eater, and it says Clown Eater are large red and brown humanoids with a small number of red eyes. It's quite a long text, so you can go on this website yourself and type in any prompt you want, and you can read the whole output yourself. And with the rest of our website, if you scroll down, you have the overview, like about our project, how we built it, the challenges we faced. Then there's about our team, the mission, and the group members themselves, and the people who helped us, or like the teammates that were in our group.
So some of the roadblocks we had were, first was the data cleaning. It really was the most time consuming part, as we don't want trash in, trash out. So we removed titles, spacing, citation, external links, authors' names, and references to TV shows and games. Next was training the model. We encountered several challenges, the main one being that the model would print out sentences that wouldn't make sense, and sometimes it would repeat itself over and over again. One problem that I faced was it made a reference to Pokemon, and also made a reference to a Pokemon move. So yeah. And the last problem was the web development. So initially we faced the learning curve that required some time and effort to understand HTML and how to use it. And once we did that, we were able to implement everything that we wanted into our website.
So for our future expansions, we are planning on adding more monster data sets from different mythologies and media to diversify our monster descriptions. Another idea we had in mind was more customization with your monsters, such as being able to specify what part of the world it came from or if it came from Mars. While we trained our model on GPT-2 for smaller outputs, using GPT-Neo would have allowed for us to have more descriptive and longer outputs. As our project goes on, we hope to inspire more creative writers and artists to use our generator to develop wonderful monsters.
All right, thank you for listening to our presentation.